Hey guys, I'm in a thrift store that Metal Pete has spoken about many times. Show you what's for sale first. That fan. That fan. Couple lamps. And this fan here. So nothing I'm likely to buy. Maybe unless like Rick or somebody wants this. That's the install Pete has filmed before. I'll go a little closer there in a little bit. I don't know if he noticed. There's also some view fans in the back here. All the way at the other end, there's another two. I can almost guarantee... Oh, there's two in here. Is this the switch for them? Oh, wow. Very loud. That one's loud. Not so much the other one. But let's go take a look over here. Can almost guarantee this used to be a Century Foods. They had these exact lights on brick tiles. And they also often had tat fans, although I've never seen these particular tats in a Century before. See, there's two rows of three. Surprised there's not a third row closer to the front. That was common in Centuries. See if I can look over and find some men's clothes. Notice the lights here are the kind of slanty ones, and the ones in front are the ones that are more spaced apart. Looks like the controls are off, so they don't use these much. I'm gonna look for clothes. If I see anything else, I'll film some more footage. But either way, it's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I didn't notice these bullet lights before. It looks like those are the only two in the whole store. Not in the front window. There's an outlet box there. Interesting, another outlet box there. Another one there, interesting. Wonder if those predate the fluorescent lights. I thought this was cool. Music volume. Oh, there used to be a lot of lighting up here. This is probably like a deli counter, maybe a bakery counter. Yeah, it looked like there were some boxes over there, over what's now the fitting rooms. Curious, maybe this, yeah, it definitely seems like a Century. Sometimes Centuries had a fan here. This one's got a big heater. Also want to point out, so it's the narrow slanted lights in the front and then a couple rows of the spaced ones. And back to this. Okay, thanks for watching. Just walking back to my car in the same strip mall. These lights out here are pretty old. Some are still incandescent. Some are some canopy boxes. Parking lot lights are old. Cobra heads. Did not even notice there was more down here. There's a fan in there, but it's newish. Okay, thanks for watching.